We just got word from another satisfied customer of ours who wanted to tell the world we did a great job. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what they had to say. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it is a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. We take pride in our service being rated 5 stars. We are very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We are excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen, and we look forward to doing business with you.